Big back crack. We got the big back crack. Check it out, friends. We got the easy little EBT hack for you. I know we can't get more candy anymore, but we gotta work around. Stick around, we'll show you what I mean. If you haven't heard, we've been cut off from buying candy, sweets on EBT, no sodas, none of that good stuff. But you can still buy some marshmallows, and you could buy sugar. So let me show you a little hack what we can do today. Make some big back crack. We're gonna use some crackers, some saltines. You can use graham crackers, a little bit of honey for the money. We're gonna use a little bit of chocolate chips we got laying around. And this is kind of old too, just some random stuff. We're gonna make some good stuff. Your kids want some sweets, I got you.
What are you gonna do? Keep it. Keep it rolling. Spread it to where it covers it. Don't worry about it. Just cover it.